Wait, why is Tom's shoe here by itself?
Tom would never leave his shoe behind. Something is wrong.
This is his shoe, and it's still warm.
Then he can't be far, but we need to move now.
No, these are not human footprints at all.
Then what made marks like that?
Hold the light steady. I think I see tracks. Please tell me those are Tom's footprints.
I don't care what made them, I'm finding my son.
You will, but if you rush, we may lose him for real.
They go toward the volcano, don't they?
Yes, and that is the worst direction tonight.
Keep moving! Stay on the trail!
Faster! It's getting closer.
Over there! I see a marker!
Tom?
Tom, answer me!
Answer me! Tom, honey, please say something.
Did you hear that? Something is moving up there.
Do not look everywhere at once. Just follow my light.
It's getting hotter with every step.
That means we are too close, but we keep going.
Tom, if this is a game, it is not funny anymore!
He is not playing, and neither is this mountain.
Did the ground just move?
Yes, and that is a very bad sign.
Everything looks weird and shaky.
Don't look at the light too long. Stay with us.
Stop right there. Nobody takes one more step.
Why are we stopping now?
Tom?
Baby, is that you up there?
Tom, turn around right now.
Why isn't he moving?
Because that may not be Tom at all. He's gone.
He's gone.
No!
I can't even breathe right now.
I'm gonna get my son.
Yeah.
No matter what. Back up now! The mountain is waking up!
I knew this was the worst camping trip ever. Oh my gosh, did you see that?
Yes, and that means we have very little time.
Tom! Dad is here! Don't be scared!
Please don't go alone.
Tom! Tom! Where are you?
Please be careful.
Tom! Let me go! My son is there!
If you touch that thing, your son may lose you too.
Dad! I'm down here! Tom! Mom!
Hold on, I'm coming!
You're okay, you're okay.
Mommy's here.
I thought you couldn't find me.
Run back to camp now! No one stops for anything! Anna! Stay with Mom and do not let go!
Next family trip should be a beach with ice cream, not ghost lava.
I agree with you more than you know. Get blankets.
Keep him warm, but do not ask too much yet.
Tom, sweetheart, can you tell us what happened?
I don't know how I got so far away.
A woman called me, and her voice sounded close and far at the same time. That is the creepiest thing I have ever heard. She said I had to return something that did not belong to me.
Return what, honey? Did you take anything?
I found a pretty rock near the Blackstones this afternoon.
Tom, did you put it in your bag?
Yes.
Tell me exactly what the rock looked like.
It was shiny like fire and warm like toast.
You took a stone from sacred volcanic land.
He is just a kid, he didn't know.
In these islands, people say you never take lava rock because it angers Pele.
You mean the volcano goddess? What are those marks around the tent?
No one goes outside again tonight.
Everybody inside, zip the tent, and stay quiet.
Quiet is hard when my heart sounds like a drum.
Dad, what if she comes back?
Then she will find me awake and very grumpy.
We should leave the lava field for now.
I'm not arguing with that plan.
We will go to the rainforest today. Quieter, cooler, safer.
Let's keep things calm for the kids.
Yes, and maybe for us too. Please tell me this forest has birds and not lava ghosts.
Mostly birds.
Yeah, and they are much better company.
Wow, this place looks like a movie.
Welcome to one of the sacred forests of Hawaii.
Yay!
You doing okay, buddy?
Yeah, I just want to stay close today.
That red bird is called an iiwi. Iiwi?
I love it already.
Look there, a gecko on the tree.
Okay, that is way cuter than last night. Gecko is easy, I can remember that one. Good, because I can barely remember my own feet from last night.
You may also see a nene, the state goose, or a pueo, our owl.
I am very ready for friendly birds after evil footsteps.
This place is beautiful, like a secret.
Best secret ever, and I can splash in it. It feels like somebody is walking behind us.
And sometimes the forest makes sounds that feel close.
This does not feel like a sound.
We keep moving, but no one walks alone.
That rule should have started last night.
I can hear the waterfall already. Ah!
That sound is much better than whispering rocks.
Wow, that is incredible! This looks like a place where fairies would take selfies. Mahalo, Hawaii! Please don't yell too loud, you may wake another goddess. What are you talking about? We need to be quiet. This place is sacred. That was actually funny. I'm taking every normal laugh we can get.
This is Ohia Lehua, sacred to many people here.
So we look, we learn, and we do not steal, right?
And this is hapu, a giant tree fern. Ooh. It looks like a plant that pays rent.
Did my bag just move? If your sandwich is alive, I am leaving. I heard something whisper.
What did it say?
No. Return it. It said, return it.
Open the bag, now.
That rock is glowing in daylight.
Why did the wind get so strong all of a sudden?
Because something here knows the stone is still with us.
The ground is moving again!
Please tell me forests do not erupt too.
This is not the forest doing this.
That sound is making my teeth shake. Stay behind us, right now!
I didn't mean to keep it.
We fix this now. No more waiting.
Do you see that shape in the waterfall?
Yes, and I would like to unsee it. I really did not mean to steal it. He is just a child. Please let us make it right.
The child took what belongs to me. I'm sorry, I didn't know.
The rocks are cracking! We are out of time! Run, all of you, now! Great idea, except where? Tom, you must return it with your own hands.
What if she takes my whole arm too?
Just believe in yourself.
She wants the stone, not you, but you must be honest.
That somehow helps and hurts at the same time. Yes, I know. I took this because it looked beautiful. Beauty is not the same as belonging. I'm giving it back now.
Respect the land, and the land may forgive.
It stopped.
I would like a snack after surviving that.
You want a snack after everything.
The forest looks normal again.
The path is back. Then the forest is letting us leave.
Tom, from now on, we only take pictures.
Yes, and maybe snacks, if snacks are allowed.
Next trip, we read every warning sign twice. And if a rock sparkles, we wave at it and keep walking.